Thanks for tuning into another episode of 3XP. And on this episode, we have someone who has been practicing magic when she was as young as 3 years old. She is called the Diva of Indian Magic and she has also been awarded with the International Merlin Grand Prix Award. In short, it's like the Oscar for magic. So we have on this episode Akshaya, magician Akshaya, and we are going to talk about what's it to be a good magician, what's it to be performing on live stage and on off stage virtually, her experiences in the magical field, and much more. This episode is going to be magical, and without any further ado, I think we should dive in. I am Kunal Raj, and you are listening to Vivanis Express. Keep listening. So welcome Akshay, welcome to 3XP, Goa's first ever entertainment podcast. It is actually my first time, interacting with a magician. Before we begin, you can start with your intro in case if I missed anything.
Well, to begin with, about myself, I am a magician. Very few of the female magicians of India, and I started performing when I was 3, and my father is my first mentor in magic, so I started really very young. So since then, I'm living with this virus called magic.
Okay, so your background is kind of from the same.
Yes, I belong to a family of magicians.
Okay. No, because that only I was wondering that you started at 3, so 3 साल में कैसा क्या
Yeah.
हो गया कि चलो सब छोड़ के जादू करेंगे करके.
I remember I never had the toys like the dolls and all. My dad used to buy the magic props, the little ones for me,
Hmm.
and I used to play around with that when I was a little kid. So that's how it all started.
Mm-hmm. But how
Yeah.
how people react when you introduce yourself कि चलो मैं magician हूँ
Well,
करके.
पहली बार तो ऐसा होता है कि that oh musician, what instrument do you play? And I
हाँ.
was like, I am not a musician, I am a magician, I do magic, I blow people's mind.
Uh-huh.
So yeah,
Okay.
they are really welcoming. They are very happy and they are very excited when they know that I am a magician.
As per you, what is magic to you? Like, you can if you can define in.
Well, if I talk about me, magic is about feelings. If I am doing something, I feel something while performing it. But if my audience can't perform the same emotion that I'm feeling while performing, the magic won't work out. If I want you to experience the mystery, the charm, the astonishment, if I couldn't deliver it to you, the magic won't happen. So that is magic for me. Magic is about feelings and making people feel special, happy,
Yeah.
making them feel the certain things that you want them to feel. It is
Hmm.
magic.
Mm-hmm. Do you feel magic is kind of.
It is not only about tricks and
Yeah. Yeah. Do you feel that magic is kind of storytelling well?
magic. Magic has a different aspects. Magic can accommodate a lot of art because even in my performance, I use dramatics, theatrics, the dance, choreography, the storytelling, the acting, because that is all performing art needs. So magic can accumulate all of the above art forms to make it even more beautiful.
Okay. That is a mix.
The acting and all is obviously important because there is a saying in magic that a magician is an actor playing a role of a magician.
Uh-huh.
So basically, when we want you to feel a certain thing, not necessarily we are going through it that at that moment. So we have to act and we have to make people feel that whatever is happening is
Hmm.
real. So that is a kind of
Uh-huh.
acting.
अरे एकदम experience actor हो
Yeah.
फिर from 3 to more than 50 more than more than 15 16
Yeah.
years experience of acting, because we do short films and all, and then if you can come down here, then we can make you the lead over here, actor, अच्छे actor. Okay.
I'm not that good of an actor, but yeah, when it comes to magic, I can deliver what I want to deliver.
Nice. So I think you should invite me for some live session after after the COVID, so that okay, special
Sure.
special passes.
Here we can try out something over this
Yeah,
podcast
yeah,
as
sure,
well.
surely we can. There's just my curiosity ki, is it like more of the introverts are attracted to this profession because you will be involved in अपने इसमें in your own space, so is it like that? I don't know, just thought.
Uh, it can be like that. I cannot say it is totally true, but whatever the magician friends that I have, even I am personally an introvert. So what we people do is we think more, and our observations or conclusions to the things that what I can say, our awareness towards the surrounding is more. We are more persistent. We have a lot of focus on certain things. So m- plus being an introvert, we are very shy to interact with people. And when we are on stage, it is like we are the boss. It is gonna be the we. Whatever I'm gonna do is right, and people have to watch it. So
Yeah.
it is like that gives us the sense of the fame, the attention. It is like quick,
Hmm.
and in a quick second, you are the star of the night and you're the star of the event. So yeah, most of the introverts are attracted towards this
Okay.
profession. Yes, at some point it is true, at some point it is not, because whatever the good magicians and good people I have seen in magic, most of them turned out to be the
Yeah,
introverts.
then with that exposure and all, you come out of that shell, कि अभी करना ही है, नहीं तो घर पे
Yes,
बैठ.
yeah. So it's like when we no, we magicians are like we have a split personality. When we are off stage at our home with our friends, we are like very quiet. And when we are into that magical environment of events, performing, stage, lights, and theaters, it is totally a boom. Okay, what was this and what was that? It is that difference. The energy, exactly like here to here. It jumps like that. I remember certain session quite a few years back. I was performing for the Malpani Industries. I was
Hmm.
quite a bit around 18 to 19 years old,
Hmm.
teenager, I would say. Kind of
Hmm.
teenager because I look like a teenager.
Yeah,
So
yeah, you
the
still.
owner of the company, she yeah, she came to me and she was not like sure that if this girl is able to pull out such a good crowd and such a vast crowd, because I almost had a crowd of 1,000 people present at that show. So it was that grand event, and she was
Hmm.
not sure. But once I was on stage, and okay, and I did my show, and the
Hmm.
show was blast. The later issue, I didn't know that there is a small packet in the small packet is such a bada dhamaka. And I was like, yes, we kind of have that personality to pull off anything that we want.
Yeah, या मेरे में तो बचपन से ही है अंदर. मैं क्या क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं क्या क्या कर सकती हूँ, यू कैन नॉट इमेजिन, तो ऐसा. नाइस नाइस, अच्छा. इफ इट इज़ लाइक दैट, इट इज़ एक्चुअली नाइस कि इट इज़ अनप्रेडिक्टेबल कैसा.
Yeah,
यू कैनॉट प्रेडिक्ट हाउ द
exactly.
परफॉर्मेंस विल बी. आई विल सरप्राइज यू
So
एवरी टाइम,
this
डोंट
is
वरी.
magic about, na? This is magic
या.
all about. Because if people can predict what's going to happen, it's none of use. You have to be unpredictable to be a magician. Because there are certain times when somebody from the audience get up and say, "Oh, I know that trick. This is going to happen." At that
हाँ.
time on the stage, you have to change the trick. You have to change the presentation and entire set. So yeah, it should be unpredictable. You should give the sense of wonder to people when you are on stage, so that they can remember you later on.
Hmm. But there will be still some people who won't come up and say, but then they'll be like from inside, अरे ये तो पता है मुझे.
Yes, exactly.
मैं
No,
घर जाके बता.
no. If they won't come out when the show is going on, they later come to backstage and meet and okay, actually thought I this was like this, but you did something which was really a twist in that same trick. I didn't expected that. So it is something that should happen on stage when you are performing magic.
Next, I think next questions will be more of kind of intense or going deep, because I think this is the best time we can reveal some of the secrets. If not on this stage, on this podcast, definitely.
Okay, I cannot say that I'll be revealing the secret, but yeah, I can give you some interesting answers for sure.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, just one, just curious to know, are the magicians fully dependent on the props? Like अभी उनके पास अगर props निकाल दे, they'll be lost. अरे क्या करना है next, क्या करना है? Is it like that?
No, it is not like that. There are certain genres of magic where you are dependent on the prop, and there are certain genres of magic where you are not at all dependent on the prop. Like even if I'm talking to you, I can show you some magic as well. If I'm on phone, I can make the magic happen. It works like that. There are a lot of genres of magic where are a lot of possibilities that we can do.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah,
अच्छा.
so magicians are not dependent on the prop always.
Not always. Sometimes.
Sometimes, if it is a demand, then we can use a prop, but it's not always that you can, because whatever the genre, the style of performing of magic you choose, it is
Hmm.
about that. It is about if you are going to be dependent on the prop or you're not going to be dependent. If I talk about mentalism, a lot of times mentalism is propless.
Hmm.
Mentalism can be with the prop, can happen with the prop like a book or the notepad, the envelopes. Even if I'm roaming around somewhere I'm on a vacation, I don't carry my props with me.
Hmm.
And then this
Yeah.
incident happened that I was in Lonavala or just for a quick outing with my friends. And then I happened to meet one of my old clients at a resort. And he was like, see, we are having a meeting right over here. And as you're here, we
Hmm.
are meeting after so long. Can you please do a 45-minute show for us? And
Okay.
I was like, okay, let me think. And I literally made a show out of scratch within 1 hour and perform at the night, perform for the around 45 to 50 bankers in that present at that resort. So I had that event. So this thing happened with us. So we are not totally dependent. We can do impromptu magic as well.
Hmm. That is nice. On the way also you can do like, ये देखो जादू देखना है. It is like it is fun, and if you are going and you get bored, I'll show you some magic. Come. तो वैसे.
Yeah.
And you keep learning, continuously keep learning new tricks, or it is like you have a set of magic tricks and you'll be like, चलो ये these are my best shots. I don't need something else other than that. वैसा होता है क्या?
I usually upgrade because I am repeatedly performing for certain crowd. I have repeated clients. So I
Hmm.
cannot take a same show and perform it again and again because then they will get bored. But there are certain things which are in my show since very long, like my opening piece or my ending piece are same since really very long because they are people if people see it like 10 times, 15 times, 50 times even, they won't get bored.
Hmm.
So it is that beautiful to watch. So I there are certain things that I don't change in my show, but yes, usually I change my entire set once a year. That is for new people. I customize magic shows for like a product launch. There are the guest appearances of
Hmm.
some VIPs of some events and like that. So I customize magic a lot.
Oh, that's nice. I have to upgrade. वरना you never know, the same
Yeah.
guest comes somewhere else. अरे ये तो वापस देगा. Again he'll come on the backstage and he'll show
Yeah.
himself. Again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
वैसा.
even if I don't change the trick, I change my appearance, I change my makeup, I change my costumes, or the storyline of the show, the presentation of the same effect. So even if I do that, the show seems new to them because that's not what they are expecting. So they expect a magician in a black coat and a trouser and a tie, but I don't go like that.
Yeah. Really like, चलो नहीं आज मैं सफ़ेद इसमें आऊँगी. So you do not recognize me also.
Yeah,
That I am Akshay.
yeah,
I am doing the same trick with some mixed, remix करके मैं दिखा रही हूँ. अच्छा.
yeah.
अच्छा. Nice. So what does it take to be a good magician? Like, there are some skill sets.
Practice, and a lot of practice. You should be welcoming to the criticism that you're getting. You
Hmm.
should be really very well aware of your surroundings. You should be
Hmm.
aware of, you should have the understanding of your audience. Like there is yeah, I cannot perform same trick everywhere for the every age group. If I'm performing for the kids, the effect should be different. If I'm performing for the adults, the effect should be the different. If I'm performing for the VIPs and CEOs and directors of the company, the owners of the company, the effect should be different. And if I'm performing for the old people, the senior citizens of the country, the effect should be different. The presentation should be different because each and every person has a different level, different mental level, and the different mental understanding. So it should be like that. Yeah, you need to customize the each and event. So if you want to be a good magician, you
Hmm.
need to take care of all that. Plus, you should have a really good command over the language. You should
Hmm.
communicate really very well because that's how you deliver your magic to people.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
It
very
it
well
is
said.
like that.
Hmm. Yeah, that only
Yeah.
if you know have some magic with some fire and all, and there are senior citizens, that shouldn't be like they get attack ना आ जाए वैसा नहीं
They'll
होना
get
चाहिए.
scared. They'll
Yeah,
get
that only.
scared. A lot of time, people can
Hmm.
get scared. If there
Yeah.
are little people and I am having a fire, they get curious and sometimes they can jump on stage.
Yeah, that is it.
That I want to handle this. So at this time, you should be really aware of your surroundings and what is going on around you on even on stage because there are certain things. If you get really close to light, it might catch fire. There are electronics on the stage. There are DJ system, the music system, the lights, the background banners. A lot of things that you will have to take. You need to take care of the wind directions when you are performing with fire.
Hmm. Yeah.
So there are a lot of accidents that might happen, and you really need to be aware of your surroundings while you're performing.
But we never, while the person is watching, he never thinks all this. अरे इसको ये करना है वो करना है. Like if I am
No.
watching the magic, I won't. अरे is she checking the wind? Is she checking the banner behind if it is getting fire? वैसे थोड़ी सोचेगी. They will
No,
like
no, no, no.
they will
People
like
will never know. They just know that there is gonna be somebody who's gonna come on stage and do some magic there for 45 minutes or for 40 minutes, and they're gonna go. That's what it is
Hmm.
all about for them. But they don't know that there are setup of lights, there is a
Yeah,
setup of backgrounds, there is a setup
yeah.
of music that creates the perfect magic.
Hmm. जादू जादू देखेंगे. They will be eager to find. They will be eager to
Find
spot.
out.
Yeah, eager to spot कि अरे ये कैसे कर रही है, कैसे यहाँ से साइड से दिखा.
Oh, this is something fishy happening right
Yeah.
away.
I just one I was for a shoot, and I had the magician over there, and he was doing some trick, and people were the place was crowded, and people were going towards the side of the magician because they were not
Hmm.
getting space. And magician, he was trying to get them away. He was like, आप जाओ सामने रुक, वहां से देखो ऐसा. Because I think from the side they will be able to spot something. So he's like, is it?
Yeah, there are certain things which are angle sensitive.
Hmm.
We have to
Yeah.
take care of certain angles as well.
Yeah. Yeah. That
But
only.
yes,
देखा?
you really
I.
need to be aware of your venue as well.
Yes.
What you're performing, what your venue looks like.
Hmm. Yeah.
So even though there are people around, it shouldn't be problematic to your performance, disturbance to
Hmm.
your performance.
Yeah. That is the skill of a magician, to be attentive
Yes.
and juggle around with situation.
Yeah.
Hmm. So are there any situation like when magic has failed, like when you're performing and कुछ बैकअप प्लान वगैरह रहता है क्या वैसा?
Yeah, it is. See, there are failures in each and everything. So it might happen that sometime I miss out on something or something slips from my hand, and it does happen sometimes. It does happen because of a few certain instance circumstances. there are certain things that goes wrong, but it is like it is only we magician who know that what is going to happen. Audience doesn't know that what is supposed to happen next. So it's just like we can simply switch on to anything, we can simply do anything to make it look like nothing happened. So it is just like here you need to be a really good actor, because if something goes wrong and that is shown on your face, that is a total failure. But if there is nothing, there is no creases on your head, then people are never gonna know that something went wrong. So it is just like use your good acting and just show them that nothing happened. Because they never know now what is gonna happen next.
Yeah, yeah, that is
Magic is unpredictable, anything can happen. If I say here I do this and I'm gonna pick up a coin,
hmm.
but there is no coin. Even if I do, people are
Hmm.
gonna think, okay, this is just
Yeah.
an action. And if
Hmm.
at this moment there is supposed to be a coin in my hand, they are not gonna know.
Yeah. Yeah, that is true. People won't know. Some really
Yeah.
secrets are getting revealed. Some of them which I did know. Okay. And
So it is about each and every field, not only magicians. Sometimes we have to cover up at certain places. We have to make some jugaad
yeah,
to
yeah.
make the things work. It is
Hmm.
not like a secret or something. It is just a normal situation that gets in our way, and we
Hmm.
have to handle that. We have to tackle that.
So I think from all your magic tricks or जो भी जितना भी है, which is your favorite one, like which you enjoy and kind of your top list?
At my top list, there are a lot of certain things that I really enjoy to perform.
Hmm.
But at the top is something I perform with flowers, the roses.
Hmm.
I usually start my show with a performance of with roses.
Hmm. Hmm.
And it has a reason behind that. In 2014, I happened to participate at an international competition, which is arranged by the International Magician Society of USA, which is a US government certified society. And I happened to bag the Merlin Grand Prix, which is considered as the Oscar of magic. There is no award greater than that in magic. I happened to win that award, and since then, after that, I performed magic with flowers, and it was really very unique. That the people started calling me Iris, which means the flower princess.
Hmm.
So since
Very
then,
nice. Very nice.
magic with roses is something that tops my list, and I will never remove it from my show because that is kind of my trademark.
Ah.
And apart from that, anything that looks beautiful to watch is my favorite magic.
Hmm. So that I think that you perform in every every show I guess then compulsory.
Yeah,
हाँ इसके भी
compulsory.
इसके
The
इसके बिना
charm that the charm comes with Akshaya.
हाँ इसके बिना तो मैं करूँगी नहीं तो ऐसा
करूंगी नहीं.
yeah. Okay, I think from you have shared a lot of experience, but from all the experience which are like memorable or you can say one of the best or one of the worst.
So one of the best experiences that I had in magic was
Hmm.
when I was awarded with the trophy of that Merlin trophy,
Hmm.
because that was really very unexpected. If you look at that group picture of that winners of that competition, you
Hmm.
can see the tiniest one
Hmm.
holding the most powerful trophy was me.
Huh.
I was hardly 4 feet 4.10
Hmm.
uh, height, and all of the men were like
Hmm.
6 feet 5 10 around that, and I was the
Hmm.
only one who was the tiniest
Huh.
in that group. All were
Yeah.
wearing black, and I was in the pink.
Huh.
And that was a really a very the best moment for me, because I could see that pride in my father's eye when I grabbed that, when I had that
Hmm.
trophy and people were appreciating me or for my magic, and it was really the best moment I ever had in my magical career. Talking
Yeah.
about the funniest experiences that I had is I get uh, what I can say. People usually think that I am a male
Hmm.
because there
How
are
come?
really very few females in very few females, and my name is Akshaya. So
Hmm.
whenever they think Akshaya, they think that is Akshay.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
and this
Okay.
is a really funny incident. A funny incident that happened to me. I was booked for a bachelorette party,
Hmm.
and my host, the host of that party, thought that he booked a male performer. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
he booked a male performer to entertain for his party, and when I reached there, he thought that I am the magician's manager, and I am going to manage his show and all the other things. And when
Hmm.
I entered there, he was like, "Okay, hello, ma'am, how are you doing?" And all that formality stuff happened, and they were like, "Okay, where is the magician?" And
Hmm.
I was like, "This is the magician. This is who is gonna perform at your party." Then he
Hmm.
was like, "Oh my God, I thought that it is gonna be a male hen."
Uh,
Okay, this is really even more interesting to have a female at my
uh,
bachelorette party. And I was like,
bachelor
"Okay,
party.
I am there." Yeah, it was a bachelorette party.
So, yeah.
I didn't know that it's gonna be a bachelorette party. It was like there is a cocktail party that my event manager said it's gonna be a cocktail party and there are gonna be a few people, a really
Hmm.
very private party, and you are booked to perform such show. And I didn't know how that confusion happened because usually clients ask for the intro videos or your profiles before the book, but seems like the client clearly didn't ask for anything and just he just wanted a magician to entertain his guest and he just booked it.
No, he was,
and turned
kind.
out and turned out to be a surprise for him.
Yeah, he was maybe in quite urgency, like, अरे मेरे को जादूगर चाहिए, बस हो
Yeah,
जाना चाहिए. हाँ. And it will be a memorable one for them as well. Like,
yeah, it was.
yeah,
The
they'll be like,
client was really very good.
hmm, अच्छा हुआ आप
I
लोग.
I happened to perform a couple of shows for the same client afterwards.
Yeah, अच्छा. Your name has an advantage there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll get more shows with that name. You'll be like, अरे मैं बहुत लकी
I
हूँ मेरा.
usually get.
Yeah, मैं बहुत
I
लकी हूँ
don't
मेरा ये.
perform a lot of shows. I perform
Hmm.
really very few shows, very selected shows,
Hmm.
which gives me the correct exposure and what are the things that I seek in my magical career to uplift it. So it
Hmm.
happens like that with me. I just don't go behind. I want more shows and more shows. I want
हाँ.
the quality shows. You get exclusive. You make yourself a brand. You make yourself a exclusive. So that's
Hmm.
when there is a demand for you in the market,
Hmm.
and you can create one of your own level as you set a standard that okay, this person only perform at such kind of event, and so
Yeah.
that even if people are what I can say referring to others,
Hmm.
so then okay, she if she is going to perform, she need all these things, that's when she perform, or otherwise she don't perform.
Hmm.
It's like that.
Yeah, yeah. I think when you
So
start out, then you need to, begin with whatever you get. But then if you know that, chalo, this is my bar or this is my standard from where I can work.
no, it is like, yeah, sometimes it a lot of people think that you'll have to, if you're beginning, you'll have to start from this thing and that thing.
Hmm.
But if you
Hmm.
set your target at the very beginning of your career,
Hmm.
then you can reach where you want to reach real soon.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, if I have a really very good show, when I actually after my college, I took a gap of around 2 to 3 years. I was totally off the show business in that 2 to 3 years because I was preparing for certain things which didn't work out well for me. So I dropped that idea, and now when I again wanted to back in the business, I just simply targeted such people who can give me good shows.
Hmm. Hmm.
And now
Okay.
I didn't started small. I exactly started where I want to be. So if see there is a thing that if you are starting small,
Hmm.
if you're performing anywhere, you're not gonna get a good videos. But
Hmm.
even
Yeah,
if I
barabar.
want to start, if I am starting and I have a certain thing, I specifically fix up a meeting with certain peoples and I show them that what I do. Even if I don't have a showreel right now, I can fix a meeting with my event manager and show them that what my magic is all about. I can offer him a certain discount and so that he can get me booked at a really good venue. I offer a certain discount when I want a really when that time I want a really very good clients, so really very good corporate peoples to perform for, because those are
Hmm.
the events that gets you in the market real quick. You get
Hmm.
the good quality footage, the good reactions and everything,
Yeah.
and that's how it started for me and it worked for me. That's how I work. You don't have to be work hard always. You have to be
Smart.
working smarter
Yeah, yeah. That is that.
to get where you want to get.
Yeah, you have to work
It
smart.
is like that.
You have to work smart as well as hard, but smart is more. You have to focus more.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Okay.
See, if I'm working harder and harder and I know that I'm really good at craft, but I am not able to approach the people who should watch my art, then there is no use of that hard work. You should get where you want to get. And it is gonna be you, only you, who can make you reach wherever you want to reach.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that is it. You have to find ways to, deliver your craft. Like if it is not
Exactly.
reaching. Yes. सही है.
Exactly.
सही है. सही राह पे जा रहे हो.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Sometimes if if you're not getting shows, or if you're, feeling if your magic is not working, or if you get a negative feedback or something, you feel like quitting or something. कभी तो कि नहीं भाई, नहीं हो रहा, मेरे से नहीं हो
Never,
रहा है.
never, never. I never felt like quitting. Never felt like quitting.
Okay, sure. In the experience of 15 years.
See, because I am performing magic, I am into magic since the age of 3. So I am kind of born with magic. So and it is like magic don't get you don't get into magic. Magic gets into you. So even if at some point you feel like quitting, you cannot quit. You eventually end up at the same field. Because see, I have a certain people who started magic at an early age, then they did their education. They were working at really good positions, like companies like Infosys and Cognizant. But within a year or two, they quit their highly paid jobs and they are back to magic.
Yeah.
So it is like, no, you cannot. If magic gets into you, you cannot quit magic.
I cannot quit.
At any
It is
cost,
like
you cannot quit.
it is that inner calling. What I am born for this. I have to
Yeah,
do this. And
yes. See, when you perform on stage and there are a lot of hundreds of people admiring you, coming towards you and appreciating you for what
Hmm.
you are doing, and some you inspire them to be a better person, you are making them happy, you're making them wow, and that environment is totally different, and that is a different kind of energy that you get when you are on stage. So how one can quit that? So even in
Yeah.
this lockdown, we magicians faced a lot of things, but we ended up doing a virtual shows. We ended up performing virtually over the screen. We never stopped spreading magic to the world because that is what the world needs. The happiness, the entertainment. Because there is a lot of negativity and lot of bad things happening around in the world, and we don't need that anymore. So we are the entertainers are the people who spread the happiness, spread the joy. So how one can quit that?
Yes, that is it. If you make someone feel good, then you feel like चलो
Yes,
और करते हैं, कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं तो और करते हैं, तो
yes.
ऐसा रहता है. अच्छी बात है. Keep doing the good work. Yeah, that was I think a lot of positive vibes in you. बहुत मतलब एकदम भरा है वैसा लग रहा है. Really nice to talk to you. I think you can perform a uh, uh, quick magic if you can
Magic.
perform now. Yeah.
Okay, so let me make you experience some magic
Yeah,
virtually.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Kunal, here I have a deck of cards which I'm
Hmm.
going to keep it right away. If you can see it,
Yeah, I can say it.
you can see it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I'm not gonna touch it. My
Hmm.
hands are off the deck. So
Hmm.
now, as I said, magic is not about tricks and all that. Magic is about turning your imagination into the reality of your life.
Hmm.
Okay? So
Okay.
here, I want you to imagine a certain things. And for your better imagination, I want you to close your eyes for a second, take a
Okay.
deep breath,
Hmm.
and loosen your body.
Hmm.
Now I want
I'll
you to
start.
open your eyes.
I'll
Yeah.
start. I didn't start it.
Oh,
But what I have to imagine, like,
okay. I'll tell you what to imagine. I'll be saying
okay,
that.
okay, okay, fine, fine.
Okay?
Okay, you can start. I'll do.
Okay. Close your eyes. Take
Hmm.
a deep breath. Slowly breathe down. Now, Kunal, open your eyes and imagine that right through from your screen, you're reaching out to this deck of cards.
Okay.
Okay, I want you to
Hmm.
do this. I want you to do this action because imagination without actions is not helpful.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Okay, okay. I
imagine
have to
you're
think.
reaching out to this deck of cards.
Hmm.
This deck of cards,
Okay.
you grab the cards
Hmm.
and you start shuffling it.
Okay.
You start shuffling the
Okay.
cards.
Hmm.
बट कुणाल उसके पहले आपको वो कार्ड्स को पैक से बाहर निकाला पड़ेगा क्योंकि कार्ड इस पैक के अंदर है.
अच्छा. Oh.
Okay, so take out the cards from the pack
Hmm. अच्छा, चलो पैक में से निकाल लिया
and
मैंने. पैक रख दिया.
निकाल लिया
दिस कार्ड.
and start shuffling it.
हम्म. तो सफल कर रहा हूँ मैं इसको.
You start shuffling it.
हम्म.
Now, once you are happy shuffling the cards and mixing the cards,
हम्म.
you give it a cut. Means you lift up some cards,
Half. Okay.
whatever of
Okay.
your choice. It doesn't
Hmm.
really matter. Okay. You
Hmm.
lift up half card and you put the bottom part above it. Means you mix them up.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
So I put it here. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Now you place
Hmm.
the cards on your table in front of you and you spread them.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now you take out one card at random and have a look at it and remember
Okay.
it.
Hmm.
Are you happy with this card or you want to change it?
No, I'm quite happy with this card.
You're quite happy with it, okay? So put it
Yeah.
back in the deck. Put it
Okay.
back in the deck.
Hmm.
Okay, no
Put.
matter, okay, it's okay if you put it upside down. Now you
Okay.
close the cards and put it inside the pack.
Okay. Low.
Placed
Okay.
it.
Fine. Hmm.
Now keep
Okay.
it where it was.
It was with you. So I have to give it to you.
Yeah, so I want you to keep it here.
Okay. Take. Done.
Okay, so the cards are right over here. So all
Okay.
this while you imagined a certain things,
Hmm.
and for the first time ever, I want you to tell me what was the card that you were thinking of that you took out from the deck and placed it back.
I have to tell the card.
Yes,
It was Queen.
Queen of
Queen of Hearts.
Queen of Hearts.
Yeah.
So you virtually reached out to this pack of cards. You shuffled the cards.
Hmm.
You mix them up, you spread them out on the table, you took out one card, you placed
Hmm.
it back in the pack, you closed the pack, you put it inside this box, and you kept it right over here.
Yeah.
And I never touched this deck of cards, right?
Right. Right.
Okay, so for the first time ever, I am going to lift this deck of cards
Hmm.
and I am going to open it right in front of you. The pack is empty.
Hmm.
Now, if I start spreading these cards,
Hmm.
you can see all the cards are facing towards you. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Except this one card.
Hmm.
Okay? This is the
Hmm.
only one card which is facing towards me.
Hmm.
And Kunal, what was the card that you were thinking of?
Don't tell me it's Queen of Hearts.
Because this card which was just facing towards me, which is the only card which is facing towards me, this pack of card is
Hmm. Wow.
precisely the Queen of
Yeah.
Hearts.
Yeah. तुम तो मन पड़ने लगे मेरा. You reached to Goa. You reached on my table. That's really nice. So you need not come to Goa now. We can do more virtually there. Really nice. Really nice. Nice. ओके,
Exactly.
अच्छा था, अच्छा था.
So this is what happens in a virtual magic.
Yeah, I experienced it first time, virtual magic.
Yeah.
देखो
So
वो
if you
सबसे
want to
रहता है.
experience more, I have a show coming up on 15th of June.
Is it 15th of June? Okay.
Yes.
We can put the
Yes.
link in the description. एक हफ्ते में शो है, जो जो लोग को जाना है और ऐसे जादू देखना
Yes.
है टेबल पे भी, तो they can definitely check out. Yes, yes.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah. It was fun. It was fun. Yeah, interacting. It was fun. I felt good. I was enjoying the talk as well. From all the podcast I've done, it is fun. जादू देखने मिला मेरे को. That is more fun.
Always.
Okay, right, yeah. So before, I think before we wind up, if you need to give some message to the budding magicians who are thinking of going in this field कि चलो मेरे को जादूगर ये करना है. So any message to them, like from your experience?
Okay, from my experience, I would like to them say that practice a lot before going on stage, be persistent, also be open to the criticism. Do not hesitate to ask for suggestions from fellow magicians, no matter if they deny at first. If you keep on doing your good, eventually they'll give you the suggestions and they'll help you out to make your art better, make your magic even more better. Keep performing because magic is a live performing art. Even if I perform the same trick in my room, or even the hundreds of times, and even I don't go out and show it to people, I won't come across the possibility of its failure because here I'm performing in my own comfort zone. So perform for as much people as you can. No matter if you're performing, go to the park, go to the beaches. Right? Goa has a wonderful beaches. A lot of different cities have a lot of different places like mall. There are malls. There are colleges. There are the parks. You can go there and explore your art. Just start performing it. Whatever you're ready with your performance, just go and show it to people, share it to the world. Plus, do not exactly copy what others are doing. Put something of yourself because that's how you're gonna make yourself a brand and you're gonna create yourself unique. That's what I would like to say to the budding magicians. And obviously, everybody in this magic field because I could see a lot of same repeated things happening which is not good for the upliftment of the art. So you should keep on experimenting. You should always keep on trying on a new stuff. You shouldn't hesitate to ask for suggestions. You should be open to criticism because your critics are sometimes the best people who can guide you to become a better magician.
Yeah, true. Yeah, when you are performing and if someone, if your fellow magician is not telling you, but then if they feel that you have a potential, then definitely they will reach out to you and say,
They
"Arey,
come to
this can
you
be done."
and they tell
Yeah.
you what is this right and what is wrong. Always watch your own performance hundreds of times
Hmm.
till the
Yes.
time you get bored with it.
Because I have personally experienced like where people used to see the work and they used to be like, "Chalo, not comment," but then when they feel that chalo there is a potential, then
Yes,
they will automatically they will message,
they
"Arey, you
come to
can
you. They come to
hmm,
you
you can
and they
improve it
suggest you
this."
the things.
hmm True. अच्छा सही है. सब में सब प्रोफेशन में है कोई ना कोई आएगा सपोर्ट करने के
Yes,
लिए. There will be critic. You have to take it in a good way and you have to improve. Finally it's for your
exactly.
it is for your
Yes,
betterment.
yes,
नेगेटिव लेके कितना दिन सर पे लेके घूमेंगे वैसे, राइट? नेगेटिव, यू शुडंट हैव स्पेस
exactly.
फॉर नेगेटिव, नो टाइम एंड स्पेस फॉर नेगेटिव्स वैसे.
Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum.
Yeah, I think that was pretty much with this episode of Three Viners Express was first ever entertainment podcast, and we had Akshaya, famous for a name because that's a lucky name, Akshaya. And if you want to check out her magic show, I think it is in next week, 15th of June. So you can check it out in the description. I'll put a link. You can share me the link. I'll put it. in the first line, so people can check it out.
Thank you so much, Kunal, for having me for today's podcast. It was lovely talking to you and talking about magic and a lot of other things. So hope to see you sometime soon.
Yeah, okay, yeah, sure. Hope to see you here in Goa, because this was the first time we are had a virtual podcast, and definitely more to come along with that. So you are
Sure.
the debutant podcaster, the virtual one.
It is gonna be a big hit then.
Yeah, definitely.